I never thought I would find myself addicted to spinning. It all started as a way to mix up my workout routine, something different from the monotonous treadmill runs and weightlifting sessions. Little did I know that those 45 minutes on a stationary bike would become the highlight of my day, the one thing I looked forward to the most. There's something about the rhythmic motion of pedaling that is almost meditative. As soon as I clip in my shoes and adjust the resistance on the bike, the outside world fades away. It's just me, the music pumping through my headphones, and the instructor's motivating voice pushing me to give it my all. The sweat starts to bead on my forehead as I pick up the pace, feeling the burn in my legs and the rush of endorphins flooding my body. With each turn of the pedals, I feel stronger, more powerful. It's a full-body workout, engaging not just my legs, but also my core and arms as I move to the beat of the music. The energy in the room is contagious, everyone pushing themselves to their limits, united in the shared goal of getting stronger and healthier. We may come from different backgrounds, have different fitness levels, but in that moment, we are all equals, all striving for the same thing. The instructor's words of encouragement echo in my ears, urging me to dig deep, to find that extra bit of strength within me. And I do. I push through the burn, through the fatigue, knowing that the feeling of accomplishment at the end will be worth it. As the music reaches a crescendo, so does my effort. I stand up on the pedals, feeling the power surging through my body, propelling me forward with each revolution. I close my eyes and let go, surrendering to the music and the movement, letting it carry me to new heights of physical and mental strength. And then, just like that, it's over. The cool down begins, the pace slowing, the tension easing. I wipe the sweat from my brow, feeling a sense of pride and satisfaction wash over me. I did it. I conquered the bike, pushed myself beyond what I thought was possible. As I unclip my shoes and step off the bike, I feel a sense of euphoria wash over me. The endorphins are still coursing through my veins, leaving me feeling invincible, unstoppable. I may have started spinning as just another form of exercise, but it has become so much more than that. It's a journey of self-discovery, of pushing past my limits, of finding strength and resilience I never knew I had. And as I walk out of the studio, muscles tired but spirit soaring, I know one thing for certain. Spinning has changed me, body and soul, and I can't wait to do it all over again tomorrow.